Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah Homesteader here with a CVS coupon haul video. Super duper easy peasy, you guys. These deals is valid up until Sunday, and I wanted to make sure I address this coupon deal. Paparazzi most of the time do unadvertised deals, so it's always good to go in there and check, because most of the time paparazzi is on sale and it's usually 2 for $5, 2 for $4, and usually you'll get back $5 or $4. So always check your paparazzi nail polish. And like I said before, this is not a necessity, but I do take these back to Mama Land with me and give them out. I said that in a couple of other videos, some previous ones. So I do like to do the paparazzi haul, and as you can see, I actually did 3 transactions, and I rolled from, I think it was this week where I did the Nivea deal, and it was buy 2 get back 4, and as you can see, that was my deal. So I rolled $4 in each one of these transactions. So this was actually $1. Each transaction was $1, so it was $1 out of pocket, and I got back $5 on each transaction. So again, 3 different transactions and got back a total of 15 bucks, and my out of pocket was $3. If you want to round it off, it's like 50 cents each for each nail polish. So this is a very, very easy peasy deal. No coupons needed. And there are several deals that come around every year where you don't even need coupons. So I will definitely try my best to inform you when you don't need coupons. So this is definitely a no coupon deal. And again, buy 2 for $5, get back $5. Okay, you guys? So this is a hashtag winning coupon deal. Now, I started to roll again because sometimes they don't have a limit on how many times you can roll into the same deal, and I should have just tried one just to see, because there's a possibility that I could have kept on rolling that same transaction and getting back $5 and building up even more of the nail polish stash. So also keep that in mind. It's nothing wrong with taking a risk to see how many times you can roll and get the same deal. Sometimes they have maybe 1 deal per household, a limit. Sometimes it may be 2. Sometimes it may be 3. I'm not too sure about the paparazzi deal this week, but I should have took a chance and tried to see if I could have rolled this next $5. And I would have been able to get 2 more nail polish, but it's a possibility that I wasn't going to get the $5 back. So I didn't want to chance it because I wanted to save my little $5 to roll into this week's deals. I believe it's going to be some great deals on toothpaste again this week. Make sure you guys are clipping on your app, your CVS app. Make sure you are going to that red box as soon as you get in CVS to print your coupons. Make sure you are stacking up your coupons, your manufacturers, and your digitals. Keep that in mind, you guys. So, okay, easy peasy deal. Get out there and get you some nail polish and stack up. I was super shocked that one of the stores was stacked because paparazzi sells out very fast. All right, you guys. So again, these deals is valid up until Sunday. And I want to say thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share, and Esikhomesteddah Homesteader will see you guys on the next video. Have a wonderful weekend, you guys. Continue to prep and be safe. Peace.